It's a beautiful waterfall. Gorgeous. This is the very bottom of it here. As you go up. What we have here is a waterfall in the Quinault rainforest. Look up there, see where it all starts. If we climbed up there, we could go get right into this. There's a pool right below that, and then it cascades down this way. Let's go look at that. The rocks are always wet here. How much would you pay me if I got in that water right now? Would you pay me something? Let's go. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna do it. It's probably really cold. Hey, wait a minute. It's probably really, really cold. I mean, we might be able to lap some up and drink it if we were really, really, really desperate. But we're not. I've got a Diet Coke in the car, so. Not the best shoes to be working with here. Not sure how to fall on myself. Like that?
Like that.
You okay? You okay?
Yes, I am.
Oh, on video?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hold on, Dad. Let me help you up.
I knew it was slippery.
I think I lost my shoe.
Yeah.
All on tape. I'm telling you. You okay?
Yeah, fine.
Really, really, really dangerous. Okay, now how? Well, we learned a lesson. Never walk on a slippery log in Crocs. Guys, you will fall and fall on your butt. Ooh, ouch. I think I did hurt my foot. We'll go around to this side of it.